Welcome on YouTube, it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuning in to Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at The Cut. They dropped a video. It's called "Which Man Has Slept with the Most People." Now, I don't know if that's something that people can really tell, unless you're like you have a certain persona to you, like that you wear on your sleeve or on your person, basically. But I'm interested to see if this girl gets it right, because a lot of girls think that their intuition tells them like whatever is a red flag right away. So I want to see what this girl is gonna get today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know, do you think you would have picked the right person? We're just gonna get right into it as usual. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Hey there, good looking.
Nah, okay, he's definitely not him.
Drink?
Definitely not him.
I want to give him the 0.
Oh shit. She started off hot there.
Hi.
Hi.
Who are you and what are you doing here today?
I'm Ida, and I'm guessing how many people men have slept with.
What is your number?
I know it's not more than 12.
About 24, 25 sexual partners.
I have had 3.
Okay.
Three.
What
Okay.
makes you think you might be good at this then?
I'm currently a stripper.
Oh,
and
what? That is crazy. The other girl said like 24, which is on the higher end, it would seem. And this girl said 3, but she's a stripper. I guarantee that 24 girl is probably doing a normal job. That's crazy.
Like,
Cannot judge a book by its cover.
filmed porn before, but I don't include that in my body count.
Oh, why is that?
Wait,
It
what?
just feels like acting.
Here are the numbers you're going to be trying.
This girl said when she had sex and doing porn, she doesn't count it as a body count because it's acting.
Kind of match today.
0?
Guys, that's it. If you end up cheating on your girl or anything, just tell your girl you were acting and it doesn't count.
I don't know.
What?
I feel like maybe they might be like
There's a
little
man that has 200 plus here? No.
33 doesn't mean older necessarily, but maybe someone that's more experienced.
This person, I got some questions.
200 plus. If they look like a player, that could be
Look
that.
like
Or you could have like multiple partners at
money.
You think you're ready?
Yeah.
once. You first. What's your name?
Marquise.
Marquise. Nice to meet you. I'm Ida. First question.
Yes, I love your outfit.
Oh, thank you. I was like, we're matching.
What's kind of some of your first
He might be one of the 33s.
I don't think he's the 0. He's put together. And
And he was quick with that little comeback, like, yes, I like your outfit.
he already complimented me, so I was like, I took that as a little plus too.
Oh, do you like strip clubs?
I went once. It was super awkward. Like, hold on,
Yeah, but he also looked like a nerd.
super aggressive and like grabbed me, and I was just like,
A little much for you?
yeah.
Did you used to like sneak
I right now I'm telling you, I think the 200 plus is that Asian.
out, do any of that kind of stuff?
Nah, actually, I didn't even start.
The guy in
going
the red hat.
19.
Were you somebody that dated a lot in high school?
If it's not the guy in the red hat, it's one of these other guys that have money. Because it's just like persona-wise, none of them look like they're that. This guy's wearing knee pads, bro. What the fuck is going on here?
no. Did a lot of poetry and just like reading and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. He's a good guy.
8. I feel like you might be like a person that's into relationships more, but you may have had like not one night stands, but situationships.
Fair enough.
Say 8. You said you weren't really fucking around in high school, but it's been some time since.
This
then.
stripper girl looks a little
Maybe
tall.
you've gotten around a little bit.
She looks like she's taller than all the guys.
Good, how are you?
200 plus, 100%.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
How would you describe how he looks?
Possible F boy. That's the first thing that came into my mind. I'm sorry.
Did you grow up in a conservative or religious?
Neither. My mom did not give a shit what I did, so
Have you ever been to a sex shop before?
like twice, and I was in a
Twice?
relationship.
Are you going like with her for something specific? Or
Right, it has to be this guy.
you're just bored checking
But
it
we
out?
didn't buy anything. Yeah, she wasn't freaky, so
Are you freaky?
yes, with the right partner.
Were there multiple?
Okay,
long-term
that's a good answer, I think.
Just 2. So
Just
like
2?
4.5 years were wasted, but yeah.
Were you doing stuff before
Supposed to
that, or was it
wasted.
just-
It was a dry spell before those back-to-back relationships.
I'm thinking 3.
I feel like he's the 33.
Why did you give me 33?
Because you're fine. Like that's what I can say. I don't know if I have any other information.
That's storing up gang signs.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Howdy.
Bro,
Nice to meet you. My name's Aiden.
Nice to meet
who
you.
do they think is the 200 plus
What's
though,
your
just
best
looking at the
sexy
rest?
voice?
Who do they think is the 200 plus looking at the rest of these guys right now? There's no way.
It's not just the voice, but
Okay, you're. Oh.
Oh, the raised eyebrow.
Did you see the eyebrow?
Are you more of an ass man?
It's a
or
thing,
boobs
wait.
guy?
I'm a boobs guy. I love boobies. Just a booba.
Yeah, this guy's 0. He called them boobies. Okay, let's be real.
Would you like to dance?
Sure.
My nigga.
I'm not a good dancer.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
Do you feel confident approaching somebody?
I guess, but it's just very rare that I find somebody attractive.
Man,
Wait,
shut
you
up.
when you're out at the
This
bar,
guy just said it's very rare that he finds somebody
or,
attractive.
like,
Shut your ass
on
up,
a bus
Aladdin.
or something. How do you approach it?
Hey there, good looking.
Yo,
Can I buy you a drink?
he's joking. He's joking. He's trolling.
I want to give him the 0.
Just for now. I'm just gonna
Oh,
say zero
shit.
just for now.
He's a virgin.
She's so nice.
Okay.
It's not mean. I was a virgin until like 11 months
You're also
ago.
a girl.
I don't think it's like a bad thing.
It's hard.
Hi there.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Sammy.
Ah, now
Nice
I
to
don't
meet you,
know.
Sammy.
Maybe he might be on the 3.
Do you think 7 inches is too much?
Oh
What?
gosh, it really does depend on the context, doesn't it? I think
Oh, this guy
7
looks like
inches
he-
is lovely.
Ask him how big his penis is.
How big are you?
Most of my partners have said that it is the thickest they've seen.
When did you start dating?
I started dating when I was 23.
23? How old are you now?
I am 28 now.
That throws me off
Damn.
a little bit. 'Cause
What are you thinking?
I was gonna give you 33 because you seem so confident. But that's not
Yeah.
a large window of time.
Yeah, but some guys do get it in.
Have you had like at once?
5 or 6?
Oh, okay.
Can you
Yeah.
show me your best sexual test?
Yeah. Right around there?
They made it.
Yeah.
This guy's super confident, so he's definitely not the 0.
There we go.
I'm gonna give you 33.
Okay. Why do you think 33?
I don't think you're 200 plus. It's just not a big enough time frame.
Okay. Do you think I'm sexy enough to have this many sexual partners?
You don't have
It's
to.
confidence.
I mean,
Oh, so that's
I mean,
a no.
No.
Okay.
I didn't say that.
Thank you.
You're just not
Thank
my.
you.
You're
No,
not
we're
my
good,
cup
we're
of
good.
tea. No, you're just not my cup of tea. But his personality seems like he could definitely get any
Pull
person. he
things,
wants.
yeah.
You wouldn't let
He looks
me
like he's a persistent ass nigga.
That's what I'm getting from you.
Hello.
My name's Quintus.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, did you date a lot in high school?
Majority of
Why
my
does he have
life
knee
was,
pads on?
one relationship, but after that,
Is this a style
I
thing
was
for
in
real?
the hoe phase.
How long were you in your hoe phase?
Like a year. But honestly, I couldn't find anyone for like a few months because I didn't even know how to start.
What part of your body is your past partner's favorite?
My chest, I guess.
Shirt on, shirt off.
Shirt off, definitely shirt off. Yeah,
Okay.
so.
What?
I'm gonna say 33.
1 year is not enough time.
How old do
To
you
have
think I am?
How
200.
old are you? I don't know.
No, how old do you think I am? I asked her.
27.
No, I'm 19.
You're 19?
Yeah, I'm 19.
I'm giving you 3. Take
This girl's
it.
at 27. That man does not
Because
look
you're
27.
19.
My final guy.
Just off look alone, kind of give an assessment of his sexual history.
I feel like
Look like he had money.
is very shy in a way.
I'm not shy.
Oh, okay.
Can you dance? How do you?
And it's okay. It's like white guy at a wedding. Just like a lot of like booty rocking everywhere. You know, like.
Okay.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
smart.
you see why you really can't judge a book by its cover? Because I did not expect this guy to come out and start talking like that.
Oh yeah, actually, I recently started dating again
You've
twice.
been to a sex shop?
Yeah, typically with partners.
What's wrong with this girl in sex shop too?
What do you buy?
Usually like lube or like toys for them.
What's
Like
your favorite lube?
I don't know what it's called. It's like a CBD lube though. That was like
Oh,
that was
okay.
great. Yeah.
This is an intimidating
didn't know
number
that was a thing.
to assign to anybody.
You got 12. I feel like it might be lower, just because you seem a little nervous.
Oh, because I'm on camera right now.
Oh.
Weird.
But just like out of everybody, I feel like you're the most nervous right now. I feel a little nervous right now.
I have that effect on women.
All right, let's see this man.
You want to switch?
Yes. Because you said you have a hoe phase. I'll give you that.
What?
Can I have yours? Can I have yours? I'll keep it like that.
Raise your hand if she got you right.
I knew it.
I knew it, bro. I just know the highest isn't right.
Wow. Told you. I told you.
Go
Oh,
ahead and
wow.
switch to your right answers.
I see them just going opposite directions. I can see the shadows just going back and forth.
Oh wow,
I
0.
want flannel partner.
So yeah, you got me wrong.
I know.
I'm flattered that you think
I
What made
just-
you think 8 and then 12? I'm just.
He threw me off. So I was just trying to switch his.
Is there
I
a
said 200
reason?
plus.
I had a lot of like insecurity issues and stuff like that, so I just kind of. keep to
Yeah,
myself.
I think he's nerdy. I can
Do
see
people
that.
give you shit? I feel like people will give you
Nah,
shit.
I feel like people are more concerned with it than I am. I mean, there have been women that I've wanted to, it just never happened. So
You seem like a really chill, down to earth dude.
Yeah.
I think if you looked for the right lady, you could find the right lady.
Looked.
I'm hoping.
Yeah. Just take your time. Don't worry about it.
Hey.
What did I
so
give you again?
You gave me a 12, so you were wrong, but you weren't off
not
by much.
completely
Yeah.
How do you feel about that number?
Honestly,
I just want to hear what
pretty
this
good,
200 guy
because
is
I feel like
explanation
a high
is.
number is kind of like a bad thing for both genders nowadays. You just look like a hoe or a man whore.
This guy
and,
said-
like,
this guy
if I'm
said
looking
for both
a future
genders.
wife,
Stop
I
lying, bro.
Definitely don't want her in the like 25s. How many sexual partners have you had?
25.
I guess it's an insecurity
Yo.
thing. If I'm not pleasing you in a certain way, I think you would try to look for someone else since you've had a lot of experiences.
Such a
It's good logic.
Thank
Yeah.
Hi,
Nice guy.
I do indeed have had sex before.
I do indeed have had sex
I'm proud
before.
of myself too. Going in, I wanted serious commitment, and it just didn't work out with the first two, and my third is my fiance. So
Do you approach your fiance?
Yeah, did you approach her?
I was just sitting on the bus looking out the window,
Really?
and I see this attractive lady get on the bus, and she had misplaced her bus card, so I paid her fare for
Okay.
it, and that is how it started. And
Damn.
we started talking from there, and
That is so cute. Wow.
That's a nice story. That's a nice story.
Wow.
So you were close with 12. However, off by about 190. Was there anything about my personality that made it seem like I've slept with a lot of people?
You remind me of my friend,
Okay.
and he's
And he fucks.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's just y'all,
But honestly, if I was a little older, probably would be a lot higher. I'm not gonna lie. What made you give me the 200 plus again?
Out of everyone,
Like, now I'm really thinking about it. Like 200 is so much. Like if you're like, I'm just thinking about me talking to 200 girls. Like how, you know what I'm saying? Only like a sex club or something like that would allow something like that to be happening. Now I'm thinking like, oh, somebody's picking up girls or whatever. 200 individual girls randomly in their life. Like that's kind of crazy.
I feel like I was able to get more of your game out, more of your
Yeah.
spunk.
How much was your hoe phase?
It was 10,
10?
within like 2 months.
Within 2 months?
Yeah, because I said it
That
was
really
because I was
a whole phase?
trying to for a year, but once I figured out how, then it all just kind of comes.
Well, hopefully your hoe phase taught you some
Yeah, it
things.
did. Yeah, and probably I'm
Some
probably
good
better at sex now. I'm
experience.
probably better at sex now.
That's great.
Probably better like that.
You were wrong.
I can see I was very wrong.
I
was
get
very
it.
wrong.
I like you kept lowering the numbers too.
I know, I was like,
absolutely
maybe
not.
no.
There's no way.
What were your prime years?
Probably in like my mid 20s. I had terrible self-esteem, undiagnosed depression, and like I was going like Tinder and stuff, and girls were like, "Oh, we want to be with you." I'm like, "This piece of shit? Okay, all right, yeah, absolutely." You learn what you like.
If you're being safe
100%.
and it's all consensual, everybody's happy, everybody's learning.
I'm no Sammy the Stallion.
This girl's scaring the shit out of me,
He's
to
the
be honest.
coolest guy here.
Correct.
Sorry.
Yeah, he's got the most game.
Who surprised you the most?
The 200 plus really threw me off.
What's the highest you think your number will get?
I don't know, maybe 20? I could probably sleep with 20 people. The world is my oyster.
Definitely could. It's not hard for girls to have sex. Guys, let me know what you think about the video. Would you have got that number? Would you got the high, the low? And, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, man. I'll see you guys later.